Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will teach you how to replace word in Genius POS and edit the button layout.
Okay, so go to the setting and then go to replace word. Okay, replace word means the original word in the system replace to the word that you type in. For example, I want to change in the customer tab the last name into IC. So I go to the setting, replace word, I click last name, then click IC and then save. So make sure it's turned on and then go to the customer. As you can see that the last name here become the IC already. All of the setting in the word can change except for this one, 5 of it. Each of the button, the word you can replace it. If you want to change sequence, click edit, you can move it here. Or you want to turn on all, just toggle all. If you want to delete, just swipe here to delete. Other than that, if your system is using other than English, you can change it here also. Next is the button layout. Button layout means the button at here at the bottom side and this one. So total got 24 buttons. So if you want to change the sequence, change the color or change the word or turn it off, go to the home, settings, button layout. If you click the area here, so you can change the button color. Let's say I want to change to red, or this one I want to change to green. You can change it here. Pay and change to orange. You can click set and remember click save. So if some of the item that you don't want to use, you can disable it. For example, if you are running in the retail, so merge table you can turn it off, split table you can turn it off, change table you can, because you didn't use it. After that, just click save. If you want to change the sequence, just click the edit and hold the button here, you can change it. Click save. For example, I already turned off the merge table, split table and the change table. Go to the home, cash register. So if you swipe, you can see that 3 buttons already disappear and then the color already changed already. Let's say for example, so the color I've changed it here already. Let's say if you have terminal, if you want to change your terminal button setting, go to the setting here, button layout. So just click terminal at here and you click for example your terminal, iPad name, and then you can select the button, turn it off or do some editing. If you want to restore the default, go to the main and click restore default and everything will turn on and the color will back to the original. That's all for today. Thank you.